Student, we have already started with the topic audit of a cooperative society. Let us take up next subtopic under audit of a cooperative society, that is advantages, or merits of auditing. Let us see one by one what are the advantages of auditing. First, let us read all the advantages and then we'll understand better. All the transactions are verified, to know the financial position, to discover errors and frauds, more reliability, more effective, provide information. It helps to make recommendations. Here, in the advantages of auditing, it gives us a clear picture about the transaction, meaning one by one transactions are verified. So therefore it is said all the transactions are verified properly. In case any errors committed by the accountant are brought to the notice of the authorities, and necessary steps can be taken to prevent them. So whatever the errors committed by mistake by the accountant are brought to the notice of the authorities. Who are the authorities? It is brought by their notice and the necessary steps can be taken to rectify those errors. So then frauds, if any, are also brought to the notice of the authorities. If any fraud has taken place, that is also brought to the notice of the authority responsible. Audited accounts are considered more reliable here, for all the purposes, like for example income tax authority, sales tax authority, and so on. It is considered as more reliable for all the reasons, all the valid purposes for audit has taken place, whether it may be income tax authority or sale tax authority and so on. And also here the insurance company totally rely on the audited statement of accounts. So it becomes very easy for insurance company I'm talking about, as auditor have already audited the statement of account, it becomes very easy for them to rely on those audited statement of accounts. So therefore I can see accounting system is made more efficient, and necessary steps can be taken to have a better control on the accounting system. And with this help of audited statement of account, management can get desired information. Whatever information management wants, they can get with the help of audited statement of account. And here managing committee of a cooperative society can consult the auditor and make improvement in the accounting system. They can take their suggestion whenever they need it. The managing committee belongs to cooperative society can anytime consult the auditor, and if in case they need to make improvement in the accounting system, after consulting the auditor they can make an improvement in accounting system. So now we're going to see in detail. First one, to know financial position. First advantage, we'll see what it means. It helps to know the correct financial position of the society, that too at the end of the cooperative year, okay, because of different transactions from the different books of account is checked by auditors. Okay, so they come to know the exact financial position at the end of the cooperative year, because as I already said, one by one different transactions from the different books of accounts are checked by the auditors. So it becomes much easier for them to know the financial position of the cooperative society. Then moving on to next advantage of auditing is to discover errors and frauds. Now it helps to find out the errors and frauds committed by accountant and are brought to the notice of authorities, okay, for necessary action and rectification. As I said, in case frauds have taken place by the accountant, okay, so it is brought to the notice of the authority of cooperative society, the authority which is in charge, okay, and it also helps to find out the errors, okay, and accordingly necessary action and rectification can be done, okay, to discover the errors and frauds. Then moving ahead with the next advantage, that is more reliability. Okay, more reliable work. We can rely on the audited statement of account, right? So audited accounts are more reliable for the purpose of calculation and payment of income tax, sales tax, import duties and so on. Okay, so it is always better, one can totally rely on the audited accounts. So more reliability is needed, okay, in case of audited accounts. Then more effective. Now as I said, more reliability is required, likewise work should be more effective. And how the work will become more effective? Auditing, if the auditing is done by the auditors, right? Auditing is more effective than accounting because people can rely more on audited statement than the transaction in the books of account. Obviously, as I said, okay, auditing is more effective than accounting, because what happens is then it is more effective work because auditors are cross-checking it. Okay, they are going through one by one transaction and they cross check. Okay, so this is more reliable work compared to the accounting, because audited statement, the transaction in the books of account, okay, sometimes it is not checked by the auditor. We just pass the transaction in the accounting system compared to auditing. So auditing work is more effective compared to accounting. Moving on to next is provide information. Next advantage we have of auditing is provide information. It provides correct information to the management, government, insurance company and also to the other agency through audit report. Now it shows here that the audited statement, okay, it provides the clear picture, it gives entire information. To whom it gives entire information? To the management, also to the government, also to the insurance company and also to the other agencies, okay, through the audit report. They have to send the report, okay, whenever this agency asks for the report, right? And moving on to next advantage of auditing is it helps to make recommendations, right? Auditors can make recommendations to the shareholders and managing committee to improve the accounting system and working methodology in order to improve the performance of cooperative society. You know, student, as in when, okay, it helps to give suggestion, to make recommendation, okay, to the shareholders or managing committee so that they can make improvement in the accounting system and their working methods. Okay, so in order to improve the performance of cooperative society. Okay student, so we have seen the advantages of auditing is first one, to know financial position, followed by to discover errors and fraud, next more reliability, then more effective, moving on to next is provide information, and last it helps to make recommendations. I hope advantages of auditing is clear.